Here's the cursive letter E. Starting with the capital letter E, we're going to start up at the very top, do a little loop, over, loop in the middle, and then come back around. It does kind of look like a backwards 3 with some loops, but be careful that it doesn't go the other way like a 3. So you'll start and go a little loop up at the top, loop in the middle, and curve down at the bottom. Loop at the top, loop in the middle, curve and around. Here it is without the tracing lines. Loop at the top, loop at the middle, curve around. Loop at the top, loop at the middle, curve around. Loop at the top, loop at the middle, curve around. Then looking at our lowercase e, looks very similar to a regular E. We'll start about halfway between the dotted line and the bottom line, going up, over and around, up, over and around. Starting halfway in the middle, up, over and around, up, over and around. Really the big difference is this extra kind of tail here so that when you're connecting the next letter, you can go to the next thing. Up, over and around.